Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to verify your Wise account in 2026. So if you have just created your account and you want to unlock the full features like sending the higher amounts or holding multiple currencies, verification is essential. So here is how you can do it very easily. First of all, you need to open wise.com in your web browser. Over here, you need to sign in with that particular account of yours in which you want to verify your identity. Now here when you log in, on the home page itself, you are going to see this type of banner of verify account. If you don't see it over here, you can click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to say this particular banner that says add your information and documents so that we can verify your business or your identity. So here click on the option of continue verification. Now you will be landed here on this page where you need to select the currency in which you are going to get paid in. After selecting it, click on the option of continue in the bottom. Now for the verification process of your business or for your own identity, among the given options you need to have all of these. So you need to have one Aadhaar card or any ID. After that you need to do the video verification. Then you need to link your bank account. So here click on the option of continue. Now over here, first of all, you need to provide your PAN card, which is your ID here. So select the option of I have this card and click on the option of continue. So they have given you the instructions that do not use any VPN or make sure that you are using the Google Chrome web browser, and this is to update it so that any kind of errors doesn't interrupt when you are doing the verification. So simply click on the option of continue. On the next page, you need to provide your personal details like the card that you have selected. Simply provide that information. So on the next page, you just have to do the facial recognition and take a selfie. After that, submit your documents and Wise is going to review them. Now verification can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of days depending on the demand and the document quality. So you will get your decision via your email address, or you can also check it on your Wise account. So that's how you can submit the verification request in your Wise account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.